Good morning students. Now I will teach you how to make a polyhedron using squares and triangles. You see it is a polyhedron, okay, and it has 18 squares and 8 triangles. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 triangles and 18 squares. So let us start. So first what I have to do, I have taken the 5 centimeter side. So 5 squares I will draw first. So 5 into 5, 25. So 25 centimeter I have taken as length. So here 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. And here again the 5 centimeter breadth I have taken. So again 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Now I will join the sides and the points. Okay. Now I will draw triangle, equal triangle taking 5 centimeter side. So one is here and another is here. Now join the vertex, the points. So this is 5 centimeter, 5, 5, 5, 5. So this one also 5, this one 5. Okay. Now I'll draw 3 squares this side. So I'll extend this one. So 10 centimeter I've taken, and at 5 centimeter I given dot. Now here I'll take the 90 degree here, taking the base of the triangle's side. So 5 centimeter, and here again I'll draw 15 centimeter, and here I'll mark at 5, 10 and this one 15. So here I'll join. Now similarly in the offside also I'll extend this line 10 centimeter. Now here I draw the right angle 5 centimeter side. Again here right angle, so I'll make the square 3 squares. So here 5 and 10. So I'll join this one. So this one also 5, 5. So each 5. So 5 and 3, 8, 8, 3, 11. So we have to draw 18 squares. Okay. Next you have to draw 2 triangles, taking base was this, taking side equal to 5 centimeter. I draw here one, and this side opposite side. So this one. So now I will join this one equilateral triangle taking 5 centimeter side. So over. Now okay, now I'll draw a square. So for square I'll extend this line 5 centimeter this side. Now right angle, so this one. Now I'll draw one more square, same 5 centimeter side. Now I draw a triangle here. Here one more square, triangle, so one side is over. Now this upper side, we'll repeat the same thing, 5 cm side. Now I extend this one to make a square. Now I'll draw here another square. Now I'll draw the triangle. Join the points. So you see squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 18 squares over. Now triangle, see, this is 1, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7 and T8. So total is over. Now I will draw the borders. So drawing border is over. Now I record the figure. I have taken width as 1 centimeter. So after cutting the figure, it looking like this. I have to remove some extra portion. Now I fold the border and sides. So after folding the sides and border look like this. So then see, you have to using the paste in the Fevicol, this one. So it will look like this. So by using the Fevicol, then in the side, at last you will get like this, and this can be used for mathematical model and for science exhibition projects, and this one very useful. Thank you.